everyone, and thanks for joining me for another What's in my Aliexpress basket. We have lots more charms today because I know that you just love your charms. So the first ones are these bronze tone clock charms, and they are 10 pieces for £2.35. Very decorative, very vintage looking. I know I've had some before. These were a little bit different, and I like to bring you a little bit of variety. You can also put something in the middle if you really wanted to. So you could experiment with them. And then we have these really fun charms. There's 250 pieces. They're like sweets and flowers, and they are flatback resin charms, £14.91, but you do get 250, and they're quite nice size as well. So there are a different variety you can choose from as well. So you don't just have to have the ones that I've shown the photo of. There's other ones that you can choose from. Then we have these heart charms, and there are 3 colours, but I believe there's only 2 colours available at the moment. 300 pieces for £3.65. And then we have these 1,000 pieces dragonfly charms, which I love dragonflies. They are £12.22. So this is buying this one in bulk. Some of these that I have in here, I'm buying a lot of. And then we have these, where did I put these pearl charms? Pearl charms, they're £3.78 for 50 pieces. And they're great if you just want to dangle a couple of pearls from your project, sew a few in, put them on dangles, etc. And then we have these 12mm, so they're quite big, 12 pieces, vintage roses. They come in gold or silver. They are buttons, and you'll see in a minute from the other photo that they do have the shank at the back to sew them on. They're £4.48. But I really particularly loved these because of the size. I thought the size was amazing on them. So they're the gold ones, and there's one picture of the silver ones. I like both actually. Then we have these really fun, quite big flatbacks. They're 10 pieces. You've got stars, moons or hearts, and they're £1.73. I know it's very bizarre what I have in, but I think of the kids with projects that I can do and birthdays that I've got coming up. So it's not always vintage things and journal things and something. So excuse me, some things are just practical things, etc. Like this one coming up, these pegs. I get through a lot of pegs that I use these little pegs to hold projects into place. They're £2.69 for 100, or you can just attach them to bag toppers, etc. Now, these word charms are £2.37 with brave wings she flies. How gorgeous is that saying? Just like little tags to go on. And then we have this next one, which I'm just going to call the word charm number 2. Strong woman, 30 pieces. And they are £2.52 as well. So that's number 1, that's number 2. And then we have these other strong women ones. Sorry, these are 30 pieces. I think the other one's 10. And I haven't written a price down, but don't forget you can click on the link in the description for the cost of them. Sometimes I just forget and don't write them down, but look at that. This verse is just gorgeous. Isn't that lovely? I love these word charms. This is my new thing, word charms. And then we have these made with love, 40 pieces. Oh, I didn't, no. Ignore me. I don't have the price of this one too. These are all word charms, and I've just written down word charms. So I love these little made with love tags. And then you've got these love and light ones, and I do not know. I am totally lost now. Oh, the made with love, the 100 pieces were £1.50. And I do not know about these other ones. Now, these are various words. Now I think these are, hang on, 17 pieces these were. £1.66. I don't know what's happened. You get 17 pieces for £1.66 and all these different various words. I think what I've done is muddled up my photos with my list of, oh my gosh. Then these other ones are £2.05 for 10 pieces, and they've got the 2 holes so you can run a ribbon or a thread through them. And then we have these various words coming up. You get 15 pieces and they're £2.18, and you can choose from the different words. So I think you just have them individually, the words that you want. Excuse me. And we have these various different charms. You get 15 pieces, 96p to £2.39. There's quite a big variation there to choose from. Live, dance, love, choose happy, stay positive, live extreme. I don't know about that one. I don't know about living extreme. But you can have the hearts and these little ones. Oh, they're lovely. Just precious. So lots of different choice on this one. I love these with the 2 holes. They are really good. Lots of different choices here for you. Yeah, my latest thing are these word charms. Definitely getting addicted to them. My goodness me, I know. And then we have these large love diamante words, £4.79 for 15 pieces. You can get them in gold, silver or red. Aren't they lovely? And they're really big. You can see from the back of this phone case just how big these words are. And then we have these 30 pieces, Fearless Charms, £2.19 for 30. And just great to dangle from a tag or dangle from a project. Yeah, I'm on the hunt out now for different words. So watch out, because I'm going to be filling my basket with lots and lots and lots. And the last one in my basket, May Your Angel Always Be By Your Side, 20 pieces for £3.18. But I think that this is just a lovely way to send a little pick-me-up to somebody, you know, with a little expression, saying verse on it. Just lovely. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget you can click on the link in the description for any of the products, and they'll be more organized than what I was on this video. So thanks for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.